Morning. The very fact that you are sitting there watching this as a clip on a video tells us all that the government have seen fit to close the schools at what is the end of the spring term. Westhouse School has been open for 125 years. It has existed through 2 world wars without closing its doors. The snow couldn't close its doors. But sadly, for our community, we now find ourselves in a situation where central government has invited us to close our doors for the first time in the school's history as a result of COVID-19 coronavirus. The good news for all of you, hopefully all of you who are watching this, is that term hasn't yet ended and there is plenty of work still to do. We have shown you boys what you have to do online. Your teachers are still available online to guide you through the learning process with plenty of activities to do during the next days before the official end of our term. And we expect you to do that. There is a lot of work to be done, work that will not be repeated. The activities have been very carefully planned. They are available for you all to see and to undertake, and the teachers at distance are also all available to help you through the process of carrying on your learning. Your parents have been given a timetable so that we can see each day what is in front of us. But at the same time, all those messages that I've been delivering through the recent days and weeks remain true, and it remains the case that you've got to keep washing your hands, you've got to look after yourselves, you've got to be sensible. We haven't had times like this in a generation, if not longer. So whilst we are isolated and whilst we are at distance, we remain a community of Westhouse School. Though we might not be seeing each other face to face, we are here for you, we will support you, and we will make sure that we do everything we can to make sure that your learning continues and that you are happy and understand the work that you have in front of you and know that the teachers and the staff are here to help. So this, our first remote assembly, is about to come to an end and the work will begin. Teachers are available and will be available daily online. So let's get to work. Thank you for listening.